We are here in Phoenix and we're partnering with Holder and the Fruit Tree Planting Foundation. We are currently at the Spaces of Opportunity. We're going to be planting some fruit and nut trees. This orchard represents Align's commitment to the community and future generations to come. We're really proud of this initiative and looking forward to coming back and visiting and helping out again in the future.
The Fruit Tree Planting Foundation, it's an international nonprofit group, and we've been going on this for a couple decades now. Our goal, our main purpose, is to make sure that the benefits of fresh fruit and fruit trees, we can distribute that and make it possible to as many people in as many places as we can. We planted, 50 trees, 53 trees. The fact that these three entities could come together made it almost a perfect day today.
There are a variety of fruit trees that we were able to plant and that will eventually be able to give that produce back to the community. And my students were able to help teach what they've learned through their program about how to plant and care for those trees as well. So it was a great learning opportunity and great community building opportunity as well.
Most of the trees that we have in Space of Opportunity are what we call community trees. That means that as they go throughout their lifetime, the fruit that they bear goes to the community for free. In this neighborhood, we'll actually be allowed to harvest and then take home that fruit free of charge. And then we also do education around that. So education on how to prune, how to identify a ripe fruit, fertilization, and then irrigation and other care, kind of like that. The partnership and support, Spaces doesn't exist without those type of relationships, right? To me, it's a mutual benefit to everybody.